how to create a demo account inside your MetaTrader application. So if you are using PC or mobile, just make sure you have successfully downloaded MetaTrader application. So once you're inside here, just open it and you'll be getting this interface over here, and just click on next. And once you click on next, as you can see, there is an option for creating and opening a demo account to trade your virtual money without any risk. So if you have already created your official account, simply you can head over to this option to log in with your login credentials like login and password. And since we are creating a demo account, simply choose the first option and hit the next button over here. And from over here, what you can simply do is enter your first name, second name, and as well as date of birth with your email and your phone number. And just make sure you select your virtual deposited money, about how much you want to use, and simply click I agree and terms in condition, and just click on next. So let me just enter the details. So once you click on next, you will have successfully registered with your account. You can also use it this same account by scanning this QR code if you want to use the same account on your Android or iPhone. So simply hit the finish button over here. Just like that, you have successfully created your first MetaTrader demo account. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.